am Vignesh Iyer with my colleagues Pratik Vasoya and Urvish Soni of GH Patel College of Engineering and Technology from Chemical Engineering Department 3rd year, presenting our topic on design engineering, that is production of ethanol from agricultural waste, which comes under green chemistry.
And
In the present world, the human race is completely dependent on fossil fuel, which in turn has resulted in various negative effects over the environment like global warming, lung disease in humans, and depletion of oil reserves. It is estimated that if gasoline is consumed at the present rate, all the oil reserves will get dried up within 60 years. Therefore, we need a method or a novel technique that helps us not only to reduce our dependency on fossil fuels but also takes care of the environment. Henceforth, we thought to use agricultural waste like sugarcane bagasse, wheat straw, rice straw, corn straw, which generally are used as cattle feed or in major proportions are being thrown away or burnt to produce biofuels in the form of ethanol. Now, the overview of the process of production of ethanol from agricultural waste will be explained by my friend Urvish Soni.
Hello, I am Urvish Soni from GH Patel College of Engineering and Technology from Chemical Department, and I will explain you the further detailed process about extraction of ethanol from agricultural and domestic waste. The first stage of the process comprises of hydrolysis of sugarcane bagasse with 1% sulfuric acid in order to obtain pentose and xylose, the principal constituent of the hemicellulose fraction of the sugarcane bagasse. And next, the cellulose material is homogenized and submitted to the mild acid for duration, that is decided to suit the solid liquid ratio, that is 30 to 50 minutes. And next, the liquid phase is separated from the solid residue by pressing it within the reactor and submitting to the process of fermentation. The process of fermentation is the basic core heart process of our whole process. And now the the process of fermentation takes place in the presence of a special kind of yeast, which is Pichia stipitis, which is acclimatized and adapted to fermentation medium to obtain ethanol. And next, however, the solid residue still contains a high level of cellulose, which needs to be hydrolyzed to sugar, which are fermented by a strain of saccharomyces and visual to produce. And the ethanol which we get from this step is taken for the industries. And now the next step will be explained by my friend Pratik Vasoya.
I am Pratik Vasoya and I will be explain our second stage of our process. The second stage of the process basically comprises the treatment of solid residue, namely pre-treatment of cellulignin in an alkene medium followed by washing with water, saccharification of same at the moderate temperature in the presence of commercial enzyme load for a long period, preferably from 8 to 12 hours. Simultaneously, fermentation of the cellulose fraction of the material hydrolyzed and precedes step by adding a yeast to production of the ethanol, maintaining to the enzyme concentration of the maximum period of the 32 hours, separation and distillation of the ethanol product, and alcohol in use industrial and household purposes. Start.
So, this was our process through which we produced ethanol from agricultural waste. Now, as we know, ethanol is a renewable source of energy which can be used as a fuel additive to gasoline, which in turn can reduce the burden of fossil fuels in automobile industries. Also, Also, with automobile industries, our ethanol can be used in household activities too. Now, our aim in the future will be to work on the cost efficiency of production of ethanol and produce a product which can be used by all the sections of the society. Thank you.